to good health. One-pan roasted meals are the best instant healthy food for people on the go. Today, we showed you what a one-pan vegetable roasted in the oven would be like. It's not time-consuming, it's super easy, and it's super simple, and it's packed with all your vitamins, micros, and macronutrients. Like you would have the sweet potato, you would have the beets as your healthy starch, and then you'll have healthy fat like cashew, sesame seeds, and of course, your fiber and your vitamins, which are your greens. This is perfect for people who don't really have time to eat but still want healthy, nutritious meal immediately. What's really good about the one-pan roasted meals is that you can flavor it any way you want. You can have a peanut butter dressing, ranch dressing, or something with aminos. But today we just use a really flavorful sesame oil with calamansi. Drizzle with a lot of vinaigrette if you'd like, sprinkle with salt and pepper to finish. Enjoy!